Hello, eighth grade band. Happy Tuesday. I'm here with your assignment for today. You go into Schoology folder and into our assignments folder, and then you go into our pink digital learning folder for this week. There will be a salmon colored folder, pink, magenta, I don't know what you want to call that, but assignment for the 12th of May. And here's our assignments for today. I'll go to our written instructions, and you'll start off with Sight Reading Factory, another 4-measure assignment. And then in Smart Music, we're going to continue our work with the Three Airs from Gloucester Movement 3. So you will be assigned 167 to the end, and 181 to the end is review from last week, but we'll be kind of backtracking and adding 167 and 175. So I kind of have it broken down here by sections. So the 167 is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 measure phrase. Okay. And you can see I kind of broke it down by instruments. Flutes, clarinets, and alto saxophones have the melody here. And let's take a look. I actually have the clarinet part pulled up. Okay. Clarinet, these are some really high notes for you guys. This is the first clarinet part. Second clarinet part has the same thing but down an octave. Okay. This rhythm, when we have like a quarter note followed by an eighth note, that's worth one count. Okay. The quarter note's twice as long as 2 eighth notes. Okay. So the basic rhythm is 2, ni 1, ni 2, ni 1, 2, ni 1, ni 2, na, ni 1, 2, ni 1, ni 2, ni 1, ni 2, na, ni 1, 2, 1. So if you think of 3 eighth notes and we call them 1, na, and ni, you're combining the 1 and the na and you're leaving the ni. 1, ni 2, ni 1, ni 2. And that is basically how that rhythm works, okay? Check your accidentals. Remember that if you are confused on a note, you can always click on the note, and then the left button underneath that shows up will have your fingering chart, okay? So that is how clarinets, you're going to play that high C sharp, okay? Both thumb keys, 2, 3, 1, 2, okay? So always feel free to use those fingering charts as you're practicing before you record, okay? Now moving on to the horn and the baritone, you guys have a counter melody part. So let's pull up horn, because it's right there. Okay. Your part basically has a lot of dotted quarter notes here. Okay. 167. You have rest, and it's 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ni 1. Okay. That's basically your rhythm. You can always listen to it with my part to kind of hear how that sounds. Okay, so that gives you an idea of how that's supposed to sound. Now, let's see, trombones, tuba, let's see, who else did I list there? Bari sax, trombone, tuba, and snare drum have these quarter note rhythms. So let's go to, what's one ba plus another ba? Okay, let's go to two ba. I think I told you guys that joke like way back when you were 6th grade. Good times. What's one ba plus another ba? Two ba. Oh, that's a funny one. Okay, so you guys have regular quarter notes, not dotted quarter notes. And remember that in 6/8 time, the dotted quarter note is what gets one count. So these actually get 1/8 note less than a full count. Okay, because of these eighth notes, we want to hear separation, particularly here. Listen to this. You can kind of hear the tuba part back there. They go boom, boom, boom. Okay, there's some space in between each of those notes. Okay, so that wraps up the 167 section. Now let's take a look. Oops, I keep going to the wrong tab. 175. Okay, flutes in this section have the melody all on their lonesome. Okay, so let's take a look at that. Do 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 do. Okay, it has a lot of the same rhythms from the 167 section, particularly that quarter note followed by an eighth note. 1, ni 2. Okay, 1, 2, ni 1, 2, ni 1, ni 2, ni 1. Okay, so that rhythm really comes out. And then the clarinets kind of take over the quarter note thing that I was just talking about with the tuba and the trombones and the Bari sax. It has that. I'll go to second clarinet this time just to show you something a little different. Do, 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 do. Same thing there where you have the quarter note but not the dot. That eighth rest is important, and we need to hear space between that. Okay. And then the other big thing is the horns have dotted half notes. Those are worth 2 counts in 6/8 time. Oh, and then the baritone part, baritone, Bari sax. really, really kind of cool counter melody here. So, okay, right here, okay, you have a quarter rest, not a dotted quarter rest, because this eighth note is on the, if we're using one non-knee as our counting system, it's the knee. Knee one, knee two. Okay, so that's the rhythm there. If you listen to it with the my part, 1, 2, bum 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 bum. Okay, and then most a lot of instruments rest in this section. Okay, and then 181 to the end is review. So you've already done that and submitted that assignment, hopefully. So as always, feel free to reach out to me if you guys have any questions. I'm always available by email or phone at 952-707-2841. And reach out to me if you just have a question or want to do a Zoom session with me. I'm happy to do that for you. So let me know if you have any questions. Happy practicing, and I'll be back again on Thursday. Bye, folks.